Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear respected brothers and sisters in Canada, today I wish to bring your attention to a matter of great concern. An event is currently taking place under the banner of Tablighi Jamaat, but under the leadership and direction of Maulana Saad Kandhlawi, a person whose statements and actions have caused serious division and controversy across the global Muslim Ummah. Let me be very clear. This is not the original Tablighi Jamaat as founded by Maulana Kandhlawi, rahimahullah. Rather, this is a deviated offshoot where Maulana Saad has rejected consultation, Shura, claimed sole leadership without consensus, and has made many misleading and dangerous statements. Point: why are scholars around the world warning us? Because Maulana Saad has made claims like those who leave Nizamuddin become murtad, declared the Shura system as Fitna, while the Prophet ﷺ always practiced consultation, made shocking statements about the Prophets and Sahaba, disrespected senior elders of the Jama'ah by saying, "Go to Jahannam." These are not the teachings of Tabligh. These are not the akhlaq of our noble scholars. This is not the path of unity. Stop. Warning to all Canadian Muslims, do not be deceived by the name Tablighi Ijtema. This gathering in Bella Gardens, King City on July 4 to 6, 2025 is organized by followers of this deviated path. Our elders from Darul Uloom Deoband, Pakistan, Bangladesh and many global scholars have issued clear fatwas warning against supporting or participating in such events. A message to the followers of Maulana Saad: if you truly love this effort, come back to the path of unity. Come back to the World Shura, the legitimate leadership that continues the legacy of our pious predecessors. The Prophet ﷺ said, Allah's hand is with the Jama'ah, or group. So let us unite upon truth, not division. Let us support what is authentic, based on consultation, knowledge, and humility. May Allah guide us all to the straight path and protect the Muslims of Canada from deviation and confusion. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.